Do you ever wonder if it's possible to earn extra income from the comfort of your home using just your laptop and a bit of creativity? Well, some people are quietly making up to $1,000 a month or even more by leveraging AI tools that can do things we once thought only humans could do. And today, I'm going to show you 5 of the most powerful AI apps that can help you turn your ideas into real money. Number 5, Jasper AI. Let's start with Jasper AI. This tool is like having a professional writer ready whenever you need help. Instead of looking at a blank page and wondering how to start, Jasper helps you turn simple ideas into clear and polished content in just a few minutes. You can use it to write blog posts, social media captions, marketing emails, product descriptions, and online ads. Jasper quickly creates text that sounds natural and interesting. For entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners, a tool like Jasper can be very helpful. Creating content is one of the most time-consuming parts of running an online business. Writing blog posts, planning social media updates, and preparing marketing material can take many hours every day. Jasper helps reduce this workload. It can create drafts, outlines, and even full pieces of content. This allows you to spend more time on ideas, planning, and growing your business instead of spending all your time writing. Imagine you run a small online store or help clients with digital marketing. With Jasper, you could create a week of social media posts in a short amount of time. You could also write several blog articles in one afternoon or create product descriptions that attract customers. Work that once took many hours can now be done much faster. This saves time and also creates new chances to earn money. For people who want to make money online, Jasper can be a useful partner. Many businesses need regular content, but they do not have the time to write it themselves. This creates an opportunity for content services. By using Jasper, you can offer services such as blog writing, social media management, email marketing, and website content writing. Because Jasper speeds up the writing process, you can work with more clients and finish projects faster while still producing good quality content. In today's fast-growing world of online business and digital marketing, tools like Jasper are becoming very important. They help people and companies create more content without lowering quality. For anyone who wants to start freelancing, manage marketing for clients, or simply work more efficiently, Jasper can be a very helpful tool. When used correctly, it can turn content creation from a slow and tiring task into a faster, more creative, and profitable process. Number 4. Runway ML. Next is Runway ML. If you enjoy making videos, this AI tool can change the way you create and edit content. Normally, video production requires strong technical skills, expensive software, and a lot of time. However, Runway ML makes the process much easier. It uses artificial intelligence to help you create visuals, edit footage, remove backgrounds, add effects, and produce professional-looking videos in much less time. One of the best things about Runway ML is that you do not need to be an expert video editor to use it. Traditional video editing software can be complicated and difficult to learn. Many people spend months trying to understand how different tools and features work. Runway ML simplifies many of these steps. The AI takes care of much of the technical work, so you can focus more on your ideas and creativity instead of worrying about complex video editing tools. For example, you can upload a simple video clip and use the AI features to improve it. You can change the background, add visual effects, or enhance the overall quality of the video. Some tools can even help generate new scenes or creative elements. These features allow creators to produce high-quality videos that are ready for social media platforms, websites, or online advertisements. This is especially helpful for people who want to create content quickly without losing quality. Many creators are already using Runway ML to start small businesses focused on video content. Today, small businesses, social media influencers, and online brands need a constant supply of video content to promote their products and connect with their audiences. However, many of them do not have the time or the skills to edit videos themselves. This creates a great opportunity for freelancers who can offer video editing and content creation services. With Runway ML, you can offer services such as editing social media videos, creating promotional videos, making product showcase clips, and producing short ads. Because the AI helps speed up the editing process, you can finish projects faster than traditional editors. This allows you to work with more clients and increase your income. Number 3. Leonardo AI. Now let's talk about images. Leonardo AI is an impressive tool that helps you create stunning visuals and AI-generated artwork. With just a simple description or idea, the platform can generate detailed images in seconds. You can create many types of visuals, including digital art, concept designs, illustrations, and unique graphics for social media or websites. This makes it a powerful tool for anyone interested in creative design, but who may not have advanced drawing skills. One of the biggest advantages of Leonardo AI is how quickly it turns ideas into visuals. Instead of spending hours designing an image from scratch, you can describe what you want and let the AI create it for you. Then you can refine the image, adjust styles, or generate different versions until you get the result you like. This process allows creators to produce a large amount of artwork in a short time while still maintaining quality. Once you start creating these images, there are many ways to turn them into income. Some people sell AI-generated artwork online as digital downloads or printed posters. Others offer custom artwork services where clients request specific designs, such as character illustrations, logos, or concept art. Because the AI speeds up the creation process, artists can complete projects faster and handle more orders. Another opportunity is creating graphics for businesses. Many companies need visuals for advertisements, websites, and social media posts. With Leonardo AI, you can design attractive marketing graphics that help brands promote their products or services. Number 2. Descript. For those who enjoy podcasts, video creation, or storytelling, Descript is a powerful and useful tool. It makes editing audio and video much easier than traditional methods. Normally, editing a podcast or video requires advanced software and a lot of time. However, Descript simplifies the process by using artificial intelligence to handle many of the complicated tasks for you. This means if you want to remove a mistake or a filler word like or you can simply delete it from the transcript. Descript will automatically remove it from the audio or video as well. This makes editing much faster and easier, especially for beginners. Descript also includes other helpful features. For example, you can automatically add captions to videos, which is very useful for social media platforms where many people watch content without sound. The tool can also help improve audio quality and even allow you to adjust or recreate voice lines using AI voice synthesis. These features make it possible to create polished, professional content without spending hours editing. Because of these powerful features, many people have started using Descript to offer editing services. Podcasters, YouTubers, and online creators often focus on recording great content, but they may not have the time or skills to handle the editing process. This creates an opportunity for freelancers who can help them polish their recordings. As the demand for podcasts, videos, and online storytelling continues to grow, tools like Descript make it easier than ever to meet that demand. With the help of AI, creators and freelancers can produce professional content faster and more efficiently than ever before. Number 1. Durable AI. Finally, the top tool on our list is Durable AI. This tool is a real game changer for anyone who wants to build websites but does not have coding skills. In the past, creating a website required knowledge of programming languages, design tools, and web hosting. It could take days or even weeks to complete a single site. Durable AI changes that by allowing users to create full websites in just a few minutes with the help of artificial intelligence. The platform works by asking a few simple questions about the business or project. Once you provide basic information, the AI automatically generates a complete website. It can create layouts, write content, add images, and organize the pages in a professional way. This means you don't need to spend hours designing everything manually. Instead, the AI handles most of the technical work, making the process much faster and easier. For freelancers and entrepreneurs, this creates a great opportunity to earn money. Many small businesses need a website to promote their products or services online, but they may not have the time or skills to build one themselves. With Durable AI, you can quickly create professional-looking websites for these businesses and charge them for your service. Many freelancers have already started small website building businesses using this tool.
Because Durable AI speeds up the development process, you can complete multiple websites in a short time. This allows you to serve more clients and increase your earnings. There's also another important opportunity: ongoing services. After creating a website, businesses often need help with updates, improvements, and maintenance. You can offer monthly support services such as updating content, adding new pages, or making design changes. This can turn a one-time project into a long-term source of income. In today's digital world, almost every business needs an online presence. Restaurants, local shops, freelancers, and personal brands all benefit from having a website. By using Durable AI, you can provide fast and professional website solutions without needing advanced technical skills. Overall, Durable AI makes website creation simple, fast, and accessible to everyone. Closing. The common thread through all 5 of these tools is that they amplify your skills. AI doesn't replace your creativity, it multiplies it. Whether you're writing, designing, editing, or building, these apps allow you to work faster, smarter, and reach more clients or customers than ever before. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and tell me which AI tool excites you the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who wants to start earning online. With the right tools and a little creativity, your journey to building an AI-powered income could start today.